নমস্কাৰ প্ৰিয় বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল, আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো পুনৰবাৰ আমাৰ চেনেল এই কহিপাঠলৈ। আমি আসাম সেক্ৰেটাৰিয়েটৰ জুনিয়ৰ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেটিভ এছিষ্টেণ্ট পৰীক্ষাৰ যে এনচাৰ কি সিৰিজ আৰম্ভ কৰিছিলো তাৰ অন্তিমটো লাষ্ট পাৰ্টটো প্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিব আগবাঢ়িছো। ইয়াত আমি টোটেল 100 এমচিকিউ কভাৰ কৰিম। তাৰে প্ৰথম 50টা এমচিকিউ হ'ব অল্টাৰনেটিভ ইংলিছ পৰ্চনটোৰ আৰু লাষ্ট 50টা এমচিকিউ হ'ব জেনেৰেল ইংলিছৰ। গতিকে পলম নকৰি মূল বিষয়বস্তুলৈ প্ৰৱেশ কৰো বলক। প্ৰথমতে চাওঁ অল্টাৰনেটিভ ইংলিছ পৰ্চনটো। এইখিনিতে এটা ডিসক্লেমাৰ ৰাখিব বিচাৰিছো, অল্টাৰনেটিভ ইংলিছৰ হওক বা জেনাৰেল ইংলিছৰ হওক, যেটো পেছেজ পৰ্চন তাৰ যিখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আছে সেইখিনি আমি আমাৰ আন্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিঙৰ পৰা বা টু দ্য বেষ্ট অফ আৱাৰ পাৰচেপশ্যন সেইখিনি আমি সলভ কৰিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিছো। আৰু আমাৰ যিখিনি এনচাৰ সেই এনচাৰখিনি আপোনালোকে সম্পূৰ্ণ বাইণ্ডিং বুলি বা সেইখিনিয়ে মেণ্ডেটৰী অপশ্যন বুলি নাভাবিব। অফিচিয়েল এনচাৰ কিহে সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে সঠিক অপশ্যনটো আপোনালোকক প্ৰদান কৰিব। দিছ ইজ জাষ্ট ফৰ ইনিচিয়েল এছেছমেণ্ট, নট ফৰ ফাইনেল কল। অ'কে, আৰু বহুতে আমাক কাট অফ ৰিলেটেড বহুত কুৱেৰিজ কৰি আছে, কিন্তু যিহেতু পেপাৰখন যথেষ্ট লেংদি আছিল গতিকে আৰু আমি কণ্টিনিউৱাছলি পেপাৰখনৰ সকলো প্ৰশ্ন উইথ ইলাষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন আপোনালোকক প্ৰভাইড কৰিবৰ বাবে যোৱা দুদিনত যত্ন কৰি আছো। গতিকে আমি এতিয়ালৈকে সেই এনচাৰ কি পৰ্যায়তে সীমাবদ্ধ আছো। আমি কাট অফ এছেছমেণ্ট এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ হোৱা নাই বা কৰিব পৰা হোৱা নাই। গতিকে আমি তাৰ বাবে ক্ষমা প্ৰাৰ্থী, আপোনালোকৰ সেই কুৱেৰিসমূহৰ সঠিক উত্তৰ আমি প্ৰদান কৰিব পৰা নাই। কিন্তু 70% প্লাছ যদি আপোনালোকে স্ক'ৰ কৰিছে তেতিয়াহ'লে আই থিংক ইউ আৰ ইন এ গুড পজিশ্যন। অ'কে, চ' উইথ ডেট শ্বৰ্ট নোট আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ এনচাৰ কি পাৰ্টটো। প্ৰথম চাওঁ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 201। ইয়াত সুধিছিল হোৱাট ৱাজ দ্য জেনেৰেল অপিনিয়ন ৰিগাৰ্ডিং আৰ্ট, আৰু আমাৰ বিবেচনাত অল অফ দ্য এবভ অপশ্যন ডি শুড বি দ্য কাৰেক্ট এনচাৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 202। ইয়াত সুধিছিল বোথ পাইথাগোৰাছ এণ্ড এৰিষ্ট'টাছ মেইনটেইন ডেট। চ' এইটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো আমাৰ বিবেচনাত হ'ব অপশ্যন বি, দ্য আৰ্থ ইজ গ্ল'বিউলাৰ ইন শ্বেপ। চ' নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 203। হোৱাই ডিড পাইথাগোৰাছ মেইনটেইন ডেট দ্য আৰ্থ ৱাজ অফ এ গ্ল'বিউলাৰ শ্বেপ, আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো অপশ্যন ডি হ'ব আমাৰ মতে, দ্য passage offers no answer. Question number 204. According to the author, who was the first to maintain that the earth revolves around the sun? আৰু এটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন বি যেটো আছে এৰিষ্ট'টাছ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 205। ইয়াত সুধিছে which of the following describes the Milky Way, আৰু এইটো আমাৰ বিবেচনাত all of the above অপশ্যন ডি should be the correct answer. Next question number 206ত what does the author refer to by truth at the end of the first paragraph, আৰু ইয়াত by truth the author is referring, we guess, to option A, the earth revolves around the sun. Next question number 207. which of the following was proved to be false by Galileo, আৰু ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে অপশ্যন চি যেটো আছে both the statements 1 and 3, that is the earth is the center of the universe and the sun revolves around the earth, both those statements are wrong. Next question number 208. So 208 সুধিছে in the context of the passage what would be the time difference between Pythagoras and Copernicus, আৰু এটোৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব আমাৰ বিবেচনাত in our understanding option C, nearly 2000 years. Next 209. in the context of the passage which of the following words phrases is nearest in meaning to the word abandon, and abandon has a nearest similarity in meaning with give up. Next question number 210. Here you are asked to choose the synonym of the word complicated, and it should be option D, that is complex. Now from 211 to 215, each sentence is followed by a choice of 4 prepositions, so we have to choose preposition. So question number 211. a politician should be true to his words, option C should be the correct answer. Next, the artist had a keen eye, and this should be for, the artist had a keen eye for details. Then question number 213. the government has banned actions subversive dash peace and order, and this should be 2, option A, subversive to peace and order. Next question number 214. as it was raining they took shelter dash the shade of the tree, and this should be option C, shelter beneath the shade of the tree. Next 215. the principal was vexed dash the conduct of the students, and I think option D should be the correct answer, the principal was vexed at the conduct of the students. Moving on, question number 216. the meaning of the phrase null and void, and this should be option C, invalid. Next, by hook or by crook, that is by any means fair or foul, option B. Next, a ball from the blue, this should be an unexpected shock, option A. Next, losing ground. So losing ground means becoming less as acceptable, so option D should be the correct answer. And the gift of the gab, so this should be a talent for speaking. Moving on, 221. liable to be easily broken, this should be option A. Fragile. Next 222, one leaving his country to settle in another. So this is emigrant, option C. Next question number 223, one who can speak many languages, and such sort of a person is called polyglot, option A. Next to 224, living in both land and water. So this is amphibian, option D. 225, that which is no longer in use. This is obsolete, option C. Okay, so next direction is, in the following paragraph, in some of the sentences there are numbered blanks. For each numbered blank, fillers are suggested in the answer choices. Choose the correct filler for each blank. Okay, so again, we are trying to provide answers to the best of our understanding, but ultimately official answer key should be the decider. So going with question 226, this should be option A, current. Next 227, this should be option D, deep. 228, option C, scales. 229, option again C, mines. Next question number 230. So for 230 we are going with option B, descent. Then 231, this is option D in our consideration, appalling. Next 232, option A. 233, option C, acquired. 234, option D, partially. And 235, we are going with option B. Next direction is, for the next 5 question, each sentence has a blank space followed by 4 options marked as A, B, C, D. We have to choose the correct spelling. So India has a very powerful bureaucracy. So bureaucracy, the correct spelling is option C. It is bureaucracy, bureaucracy. Next, the man has been suffering from pneumonia. So pneumonia, this is often asked, the spelling of that particular word. So correct one is option A. Next, 4 security personnel died in the accident. So in this case, option D should be the correct answer. Okay, so for question 239, she works as the liaison officer between the two companies. So in our consideration, the correct spelling should be option C, LIAISON. So that is liaison officer, who acts as binding agent between two certain things. Next, question number 240, the students of this school are very mischievous. So in this case, option B will be the correct answer. Next, for the next 5 question, 4 sentences have been given, and only one of them is correct, so we have to choose the correct sentence. So in question number 241, in our consideration, option C should be the correct one. The board has agreed to grant a bonus to their employees. Next, question number 242, we are going with option C again. Neither the teacher nor the students are attending the session. Next, question number 243, in this case we are going with option D. The patient has been suffering from cholera since March. Next, for question number 244, we are going with option C here. The award will be presented to you, my brother, and I by the government. In our model paper, we have discussed this, the rule 231. So here, that particular rule 231, to suggest the proper order of pronoun, that particular rule is used here. Next, question number 245, here option D should be the correct one. No sooner did I reach the station than the train left. And for the final 5 question of this alternative English portion, here synonyms are given, and one pair is wrong, so we have to mark the wrong pair. So for 246, we are going with option B, sheep and trash, they are not synonyms. Next, for 247, we are going with the last option, secret and private, they are not synonyms to each other. Next, 248, for 248, we think first option should be the correct answer, that is the faulty pair, paucity and plenty. And for 249, the penultimate question of this set, wander and settle. So these are, I guess, quite opposite in meaning, so these are not synonyms obviously. And for final question of alternative English portion, we are going with option B, ordinary, rare. So these are not synonyms to each other in meaning. Okay, so we are done with alternative English portion, I guess. Now moving to the general English portion. So again, before providing answers of the general English portion, it's a request, if there is any unintended error made from our side, then you guys are cordially requested to point that out. We will obviously update correction alert in that regard, and please don't consider this as the binding set of answers. We have to wait to the official answer key distribution. Okay, so moving on, question number 101. So here option C should be the correct answer. What do you think as the theme of this passage? The theme should be changing significance of the idea of home during the corona pandemic. Next, question 102. Style at home, decor, house and garden, etc. are names of what? So option C, we are going with option C. They are home decoration magazines. Next, for 103, the candidature asks that why do you think the home came to have a morally elevated status from 19th century onwards? And in our consideration, option C should be the correct answer. That is because the home became the world of the true self in opposition to the artificial public sphere. Next, 104. What is the romantic view of home that Hannah Arendt opposes? And for this question, we are going with option C again, that the home is the place to express one's identity and social status. Next, for 105, we are going with option C again. Here you are asked what was the notion of the home for ancient Greeks, and the correct answer should be according to ancient Greeks, the notion of the home was it is a space where one accomplished the physical labor of sustaining the human body and of reproducing the human species. And for 106, why do you think Rand opposes the romantic view of home? And we are going with option C again. She viewed the private sphere as entirely deprived of freedom. Moving on, question number 107. Here it is asked that why does the feminist denounce home? And option D should be correct here. They believe that the home is a place of oppression and raw power. 108. Who is among the following about Emily Dickinson is significant for this particular passage? And here we are going with option C again. She remained confined in her house as a recluse for the last 15 years of her life. And question number 109, here recluse, the meaning of the word recluse is asked, and recluse, the meaning should be option A, living a solitary life and avoiding other people. Then for question number 110, here it was asked that what has the months of corona confinement taught us? So here we are going with option D, the public sphere is fundamental to the constitution of our identity. Next, correct sentence, question 111, there is no place in the compartment. So we are going with option B, there is no room in the compartment. Next, my spectacle is new. So my spectacles are new. Spectacle comes in pairs, not in single. Next, 113, it is my friend's Kishore's bike. So in this case, it should be it is my friend Kishore's bike. So first apostrophe is not required. Next, 114, there is a certain proud in his manner. So here we are going with option A, there is a certain pride in his manner, not proud. Next, 115, there are many works that I have to do. In this case, we are going with both B and C. That is, there is much work than I have to do. So this should also be a correct sentence. And option C, there is a lot of work that I have to do. This is obviously correct. So in our consideration, both B and C should be the correct option. Next, question 116, history have been taught by 3 professors. So in this case, option A should be the correct one. History has been taught by 3 professors. 117, diabetes are common among 40 plus people. So diabetes is common among 40 plus people. Option B should be the correct one. Next, 118, the police officer gave me an information. So we are going with option B here. The police officer gave me a piece of information. Next, 119, the furnitures in the room are beautiful. So we are going with option B for the correct sentence. The furniture in the room is beautiful. So final 120 of this particular segment, he is the youngest of the 2 brothers, and in this case we are going with option A, he is younger of the 2 brothers. So for the next fragment, the direction is fill in the blanks with the appropriate words or phrases from the given choices. So he dashed in his excitement. So here option A should be the correct one. He spilled the beans in his excitement. Okay, next question number 122. I had paid him very high for the function, but looks like he is dash. So this should be option B. He is cutting corners. Next, question number 123. He dash for the national team in 65 matches so far. So here, option A should be the correct one. He has played for the national team in 65 matches so far. 124. I would not be able to meet you next week. I dash in Delhi for a few days. So I will be staying in Delhi for a few days. Option A, we are going with option A. 125. The car broke down and we dash a taxi. The car broke down and here we are going with option C. We had to get a taxi. Dash during the storm. 126. The fence collapsed during the storm. Next, 127. The government has introduced dash. So here option D should be the correct one in our consideration. The government has introduced a tax on children's clothes. Question number 128. Dash of the children dash awake. So here the first one will be none of the children. Now confusion arises whether the second blank will be in plural form or in singular form. That is, whether it will be was or were. In generally, none of were, this combination is used, but none of was is now also not incorrect. So we are going with option D. None of the children were awake, but there's a slightest of possibility that option A might also be the correct one. So we have to wait till the official answer, but we are going with option D. None of the children were awake. Question number 129. She is one of the few people dash. So here option B should be the correct one. She is one of the few people to whom I look up. And question number 130, final one from this segment. I first met Sheila on a beach dash Goa. I later found out that she had been a singer and a dancer dash other things. So here option A will be the correct one in our consideration. I first met Sheila on a beach in Goa. I later found out that she had been a singer and a dancer, among other things. Next, correct order of sentences. 131. Here we are going with QSPR. That is, there was no change in the buildings where I would often visited my master and for a time worked as a child apprentice. So option B should be the correct one. Next, question number 132. In this case also we are going with option B, SPRQ. That is, all the world's stage and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. So we are going with SPRQ. Next, question 133. So in this case we are going with option C, RQSP. That is, the English exploited the Indian farmers and the poor farmers pay very high taxes. So RQSP, option C. Next, 134. So in this case we are going with the last option, PRSQ. That is, the high road was dry, a lovely April sun was shining warmly, but the snow was still lying in the ditches and in the woods. So last option. Next, 135, last from the segment. Here I guess option C should be the correct one, SPRQ. The long winter night passed away imperceptibly, and it was 5 o'clock in the morning before the company sat down to supper. So option C correct here. And find the correct one-word substitution for the given phrases. 136. So 136, a handwriting that cannot be read. So it will be illegible, option D. Next, a person who speaks less. So in this case we are going with option A. Then 138, a practice of having more than one husband. So this is polyandry, option C. Something that cannot be believed. We are going with option C, incredible. And 140, fear of confined spaces. So this is option A, claustrophobia. And here correctly spelled word, 10 questions, last 10 questions from this segment as well as from this video. So here correctly spelled word, the word is entrepreneur. So option C correct here. Next, option D, acquaintance. Then 143, adulterate, option A. 144, option C, sovereignty. Then 145 we are going with option B. 146, option B, consensus. Next, 147, here option C, affectionately. Next, surveillance 148, option C. 149, penultimate question of this section. Okay, so temperament, here option B is correct, temperament. And 150, final question of this video, Fahrenheit spelling, option A is correct. So ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে আমি আমাৰ এই 100টা MCQ সিৰিজটো শেষ কৰিছো আৰু ফাইনালি এই জে পেপাৰখনৰ এনসাৰ কি সিৰিজটো আমি ইয়াৰতেই সমাপ্ত কৰিছো। আপোনালোকে যথেষ্ট সহায় দিলে তাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ। আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে চাই থাকিব ই কুইপাত। যদি আমাৰ কিবা ভুল হৈ গৈছে তেতিয়াহ'লে কাইন্ডলি পইণ্ট আউট। ধন্যবাদ।